front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. You need to start by going into Devices Settings. Then tap on Display and Brightness after scrolling down. Now it's time to use this switcher next to Auto Brightness to switch it on or off. This feature, when enabled, adjusts brightness automatically using sensors located in your front camera. So if you want to turn it on or off, just do it by operating this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!